Hey there, hope you guys are having a great day. I wanted to find out who loves the color sage and who loves in general Norwex bath towels, or maybe the bath towels are on your wish list, something you might like to add to your collection. I'm a little bit obsessed with this. I wanted to share with you guys, like this color is so good. So this month's Hostess rewards are incredible. They're probably my favorite all year. And I only have 3 open spots left at the end of the month. And I wanted to find out if you've ever thought about hosting a Norwex party, now's really a great time, because this month as a host, you can earn up to 25% of your party sales back in shopping credit, plus up to 3 half-price items and free shipping on your host order. And this month, what makes it so good is that Norwex added some amazing bonus items on top of all of that. So first up, not 1, but 2 Sage Ultra Plush bath towels. These bath towels, they are our thickest, our fluffiest towels ever. Look how pretty they are. They're velvety, soft, super absorbent. They're a great size. They're also very quick drying, which I like, and they have backlock in them. And Norwex backlock inhibits odors, mold, mildew. So what I also love is you can use them again and again and again before washing them. So they're not gonna start growing all the nasty stuff or stinking. So in addition to the 2 Ultra Plush bath towels, also a 3-pack of the Sage Ultra Plush body and face cloths. I use the body and face cloths and have for the last 5+ years. They're great for washing your skin, your body, removing makeup. They're a spa-like texture and you use them with just water. So now this month also includes a 3-pack of our dual-sided makeup remover cloths. You can't even buy these. Look how pretty they are. These little cloths are really magical for taking off all your makeup, from your foundation to your waterproof mascara. No harsh wipes, no chemicals. The fluffy side is great to remove the foundation, maybe just sunscreen, things like that, clean up the kids. But this makeup remover side is great for removing waterproof makeup, maybe lip stains, lipstick. But they're ultra soft. They also have backlock, which keeps them fresh. And these actually replace hundreds of disposable wipes. So they're not only better for our skin, they're better for the planet. And with that backlock, they're not going to get any mold or mildew or bacteria. So it helps keep our face safe, right? Also, this limited edition body scrub mitt in the Norwex blue. One side gently exfoliates, the other side cleanses. This is so handy just to have in the shower and use as your everyday cleanser. So we also have a back scrubber, which my husband and my teenage boys love. If you've ever felt like a contortionist trying to clean your back, this is your solution. So you hold on to both ends and you either have this microfiber side like a body cloth or a scrubby side for deeper exfoliation. It's perfect for your back, but also if you have issues like back pain, you can use this to clean the bottom of your feet, like just by putting your foot in it. So great. And here's the best part. If you are a first-time hostess this month, you can also get our Travel Trio skincare set completely free. Now these are small travel size editions of the Norwex skincare. They're EWG verified. It is literally the best plant-based skincare I've ever used. Plus it comes in a nice travel bag. It's great if you already use the Norwex skincare and want an extra set for traveling, or if you've never tried it, it's a great way to do that. You can even gift it. So I want to paint a quick picture of why I'm even making this video. So my average parties are around $1,000 with at least 1 booking. So if you were to have one of those average size parties with me, you would get $250 in shopping credit, multiple half-price items, free shipping, and around $260 just in free bonus products that weren't there last month. So that's over $500 for free, just inviting your friends to an easy party while I do the work. And the best news is that my parties are simple. They're on Facebook. You simply invite your friends and I'll help you with all of that. And I take care of all the posts, all the videos. I'll have giveaways, free samples for your guests, and just a lot of fun. You can sit back, comment on a few posts, and collect all the goodies. I only have 3 spots left this month, and I would really love to get you in if you've been thinking about it. So if you're ready to load up on some freebies, text me, message me, or comment book me on this post, and I'll reach out and we'll get your date booked. I'll save one of those 3 spots for you. So have a great afternoon, and I'll see you soon.